English together.
Conversation 1.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play games. What about you?
I enjoy running in the park.
That's wonderful. Staying active is important for our health.
Do you have a favorite game?
I like Minecraft. What about you?
I enjoy Animal Crossing. It is fun.
Cool. I heard Animal Crossing is popular. What do you like about it?
I like making my own world and talking to cute animals. It's relaxing.
Sounds fun. I might try it.
You should. Well, it was nice talking to you.
Same here. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Conversation 2.
Good morning. How do you start your day?
Good morning. I usually wake up, brush my teeth, and have breakfast. How about you?
I start with a cup of coffee and some light stretching exercises. It helps me wake up.
That sounds like a nice routine. Do you have any plans for the day?
I have work in the morning, but in the evening, I'm going to meet a friend for dinner.
That sounds lovely. I have to go grocery shopping today. And then I will relax at home.
Relaxing sounds great. How do you usually unwind after a busy day?
I like to listen to music or watch a favorite TV show. It helps me relax and clear my mind.
That's a good idea. I enjoy reading a book or taking a walk in nature to unwind.
Reading and being in nature are great ways to relax. Do you have any favorite books?
I like mystery novels and fantasy books. They take me on exciting adventures in my imagination.
That's cool. I enjoy non-fiction books and learning new things. They're quite interesting.
Learning is always a wonderful thing. Well, I hope you have a productive day ahead.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.